Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar and today we are going to see what are the string functions in Go language. So before going to the string functions, I would like to tell you what is string in Go language. So string is nothing but a sequence of characters, or we can say a collection of characters, or a group of characters. Okay, let's say hello. Hello is a string, but H is a character, right? So here we have some functions. Let's say contain, join, count, repeat, hash preface, replace, hash suffix, split, index, len, to upper, to layer. So these functions we will be using in our program, and will tell you how we write it in Go language, and what output we get it from these functions. Okay, so let's start the coding. So here what I do, I import string package. So I write strings and I give one name to this string package. Okay. So I write here S and I close it. Now I'm going to create one string. So I write str colon is equal to hello. Okay. Now what I do, I write fmt print p caps print ln, and here I write s dot contains, I pass this string object or variable, and I want to check whether this string contains h or not. So here what I write h, correct. Now run it. Okay, so I should write here this h, okay, with the double quotes. So my answer is true. So why I am getting true? Because we have h in this string, correct. Let's say I write here mm, y. Now run it. We will get false. Okay, see, we are getting false here because y is not present in this string. Okay, so this is about the contains function. Let's copy it and paste it here. Now we check. Now we check count function. Okay, so I write here count and I pass str and I pass y. Let's run it. It will return 0 because y is not present in this string. If I write here h, or let's say if I write here l, then it will return 2 because l is l is repeated 2 times here. Okay, cool. Now we have hash prefix function. So just copy it and paste it. Change the function name. So I write hash prefix. Okay, let's run it and see the output. It returns false. Why so? Because our string is not starting from L. It is starting from H letter, right? So if I write here H, it will return 2. Let's see. Okay, so like that we have hash suffix also. So instead of prefix, I write here suffix. Let's run it. So it returns false. Why so? Because h is not present at the last. So if I write here O, then it will return 2. Okay. Yeah. So now we have index function and two upper function. So what is indexing? So if you know this hello, this is a string, okay, and it has some indexes. So it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I want to know the index of E alphabet or E character. So how do we achieve it? So I write s dot what? I write s dot index, and I pass here the string object, and then I pass here E. Okay, I want to know the index of E alphabet. It returns, okay, cannot refer to an exported name string index. Let's go back. Okay, this I should be in caps. Now run it. Now we are getting 1 because this E is present at 1 index. If I talk about L, then it will return 2. 2 or 3. Let's see it. It returns 2. Okay, it returns 2. Now we see what is 2 upper and 2 lower. So if I want to convert this into lower, I will use 2 lower method, right? Let's run it. So this is not needed here. Okay, so I am getting hello in small letters. If I want to print this hello in the upper letter, in the upper case, so what I write? I write something like 2 upper instead of 2 lower. Okay, let's run it. I am getting hello in capital letters. So now we have len function, split, replace, repeat and join. Okay, so if you want to know the length of this string, what function you use? So we use len function, correct? Let's run it. It will return 2, 3. Okay, len is not defined. Okay, L should be in caps. Now run it. Okay, this S is not needed here, and instead of caps L, I'll write small l. Now we are getting 5 as an output because this string contains 5 alphabets or characters. Correct. Now copy it. Don't copy this one. I copy line number 13 and paste it over here. And here, what I write split. I want to split this hello with with spaces, something like that. So I write something like string and I pass here nothing. Let's say I pass nothing here. Let's run it. Okay, you should not be in characters, right? Double quotes. Now run it. Now we are getting HELLO as an as an array with spaces. So what we did it, we split this string with the spaces, correct? Let's copy this and paste over here. Now we will see what is replace function, repeat and join. Okay, so I use replace function, so R is in capital. Okay, and I want to replace this string. Okay, I want to replace this string from H to what? From H to let's say T. Okay, now run it. We are getting some errors. So error is something not enough argument in call to string replace. Okay, so here we pass to we have 4 parameters, not 3 parameters. So we are passing here 3 parameters. We should pass here 4 parameters. So I write here 1. Let's run it. When I run it, what happens? It it so what happens? It replaces H with T. Let's copy this, paste over here, and instead of 1, I write here -1, and instead of this H, I will write L. Now my answer will be like HETTO. Let's run it and see the output. So my output is like HETTO. So whenever we use -1, it will replace all the characters, okay, with the new character. So if I use same thing here, so instead of H, if I write L, so what will be my answer? My answer will be this HETLO. Let's run it. See, HTLO, right? Go back to the PPT. Now we have repeat and join function. Let's see it. So, okay, I write here repeat, okay, and I want to repeat what? Let's say I want to repeat this string 5 times, not 5 times, 2 times, okay. So I can write like this. Let's run it. We are getting hello 2 times. If I pass here 3, we get it 3 times hello. Okay, so this is nothing but string functions in Go language. I hope you guys have liked the video. If you do, do subscribe and share.